For a second time this year, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has once again landed in Shillong city on a 2-day visit. During his time in the state, Shah would be inaugurating various projects like the interstate bus terminal at Mauyong, oxygen plants, and also the Greater Sora water supply scheme, besides a tree plantation program. On Saturday, the Union Home Minister is scheduled for a meeting with the Chief Ministers and DGPs of the northeastern states, wherein important issues related to each state would be discussed. NGOs of the state are also hopeful of a meeting with the Union Home Minister where they would be pressing on issues like inner line permit, the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, and the amendment of the 6th schedule. The United Democratic Party would be submitting a memorandum to the Union Home Minister on the demand for a permanent solution to unresolved issues related to the state of Meghalaya.
Well, as you can see behind me, the entire city has almost come back to a standstill, but this time it's not because of the lockdown, and it is basically because of the visit of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to the state. Well, Amit Shah is scheduled to address various meetings, which is concerning to a lot of issues concerning the state of Meghalaya, and one of those is the ongoing border dispute. People are hopeful that this visit of the Union Home Minister would be fruitful and would also resolve some issues. With cameraman Edelbert, this is Rafaljan for Media Plus Daily News.